Imagine a world where the stars are within reach and the cosmos is our playground. Ever wondered what it would be like to explore the vast expanse of space? Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about today. We're diving deep into the world of spaceship companies and uncovering the groundbreaking work they're doing to make interstellar travel a reality. What is a spaceship company? A spaceship company is essentially a firm that designs, develops, and manufactures spacecraft for various purposes. These purposes can range from commercial spaceflight, scientific research, and even space tourism. Think of them as the pioneers of the new space age, pushing the boundaries of human exploration and technological innovation. The driving forces behind spaceship companies. Several factors are driving the growth and development of spaceship companies. One of the primary motivations is the insatiable human curiosity to explore beyond our planet. The allure of discovering new worlds, understanding the universe's mysteries, and potentially finding extraterrestrial life is a powerful force that fuels these companies. Another factor is technological advancements. The rapid development of aerospace engineering, materials science, and propulsion systems has made it possible to design and build spacecraft that were once considered science fiction. These advancements have opened up new possibilities for space exploration and commercialization. Key activities of spaceship companies. Spaceship companies engage in a wide range of activities, including research and development. They invest heavily in research and development to create innovative technologies and propulsion systems that can enable sustainable space travel. Spacecraft design and manufacturing. They design and manufacture spacecraft, including rockets, capsules, and satellites that are capable of reaching orbit and beyond. Launch services. Many spaceship companies offer launch services, providing transportation for satellites, payloads, and even astronauts into space. Space tourism. Some companies are focusing on developing space tourism programs, offering unique experiences for individuals who want to travel to space. Commercial spaceflight. They are working towards developing commercial spaceflight services, making space travel more accessible and affordable for the general public. Challenges and opportunities. While the future of space exploration looks promising, spaceship companies face significant challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the high cost of space travel. Developing and launching spacecraft is an expensive endeavor, and reducing costs is essential for making space exploration more accessible. Another challenge is the technical complexity of space missions. Ensuring the safety and reliability of spacecraft requires meticulous engineering and testing. Additionally, the harsh environment of space poses unique challenges for spacecraft design and operation. Despite these challenges, the opportunities for spaceship companies are vast. The potential for commercial spaceflight, space tourism, and scientific research is immense. As technology continues to advance and costs decrease, we can expect to see a growing number of companies entering the space industry. The future of space exploration. The work being done by spaceship companies is paving the way for a future where humans can explore the cosmos like never before. From establishing lunar bases to colonizing Mars, the possibilities are endless. These companies are not only pushing the boundaries of technology but also inspiring a new generation of explorers and innovators. So, what does the spaceship company do? They are at the forefront of the new space age, driving innovation, pushing boundaries, and making the dream of interstellar travel a reality. Their work is not only shaping the future of space exploration but also inspiring us to reach for the stars. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.